Good afternoon guys, it's Lee from Source Sounds. Just giving you a quick demonstration of this KENWOOD DMX5020DABS that we have fitted into this customer's lovely Mark II TT. So as you can see there straight away, we've got Apple CarPlay on the screen. Obviously we've retained factory steering wheel controls, so you can see there the volume is going up. And obviously mode is just changing the DAB station because we're currently listening to DAB on this radio. So we've got FM, Bluetooth streaming, you've got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity, and on this it's a wired connection for Android and Apple. So if we just go in there, you can see we've got USB cable, and we've got a phone plugged in. Works off the steering wheel controls, can have up to 2 phones paired into it for Bluetooth calling. But if we're using Apple CarPlay, then obviously you're going to use the phone in a specific way from the phone app, and that gives you your favourites, so your contacts and your keypad, and then access to voicemail. On this, then this gives you access to Apple Maps, Google Maps if you have it, Waze navigation if you've got that on your phone, as well as the TomTom paid app and a few different options. And then you've got some different radio apps that you can also use. Thank you for watching. Any more information required, please phone us on 0114 257 1550. Thanks for watching. Bye.